Sardesai, and today I'll be sharing all the gyan you need to know about mascara. Applying mascara is one of my favorite things about doing my makeup. This one miracle product makes your eyes appear bigger and adds volume and length to your lashes. If you love mascara, these are the 5 things you need to know about it. There are more than 20 types of mascara wands, but these are the 3 you need to be on a lookout for. If you are someone who's looking for length, then rubber bristles are good for lengthening. Whereas a wand with dense bristles will give you a ton of volume. And a wand which is slightly curved will provide you with that curled effect. There are 2 types of mascara variants, waterproof and non-waterproof. Waterproof mascaras are smudge proof and they stay put throughout the day. If you are someone who wants something that can be worn daily, you can opt for the non-waterproof formula. These are gentle on your lashes and easier to remove. Now I'm going to show you the right way to apply mascara. Start by curling your lashes with a lash curler. This helps make your eyes appear bigger. But if you are blessed with naturally curled lashes, then feel free to skip this step. Starting from the roots, wiggle the mascara and sweep through the tips. Use the tip of the wand to apply mascara on the lashes in the inner and outer corner of the eye. Repeat the mascara application. This depends on the volume you wish to add to your lashes. If you want, you can use the leftover mascara on your bottom lashes. Tip 1. Apply very little loose powder on your lashes after your first coat to add volume to your lashes. Layer your mascara. Create your own cocktail of mascara by adding a lengthening mascara first and then layering it with a volumizing mascara. And get the best of both worlds. Tip 3. You can also tightline your top eyelids to get an even more volumized effect. Tip 4. If you get any mascara on your eyelid, a quick tip is to let it dry and then remove it with a Q-tip. This prevents the mascara from spreading everywhere. Tip 5. Don't pump the mascara. This pushes air into the tube and makes your mascara dry faster. Tip 6. Avoid sharing your mascara with anyone. Since the wand is so close to your eye, you run the risk of spreading bacteria and even contaminating the product. Running out of mascara and need a quick fix? Add a little contact solution to revive the product. Tip 8. Even though you don't want to, it's important to throw away mascara 3 months after opening it. So guys, here are all the tips and tricks you need to know about mascara. If you have a tip to share with us, don't forget to add it in the comments below. For more beauty guides and tutorials, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.